guys, here are some synonyms for the word tired. Easy word, right? Of course. So you work all day, you come home, and you feel tired, but not necessarily sleepy, right? And hopefully not worn out. Worn out is another way of saying exhausted. Hopefully you're just tired and you still have some energy left to do something that you actually like. Another word that I will use is droopy. Droopy is like, think of a flower that doesn't have enough water. It's still alive, but it's not standing up, full of excitement to be living. So, tired, droopy, sleepy, worn out. Different levels of tiredness, and there you go.